Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to bulk edit on YouTube. So if you have a plan to update your YouTube description, title, or you want to include a particular text into any of your YouTube videos, then this video is the right video for you, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how to perform bulk edit on YouTube. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to log in into your YouTube studio, and once in your YouTube studio, come here and click on content. Once you've clicked on content, it's going to load all your videos. Make sure you're on the video tab. You can also click on the live tab if you want to make edits to the live tab. So if you currently have any live stream, you're going to find it in this section. And then in this section, you'll be able to select the videos in which you want to make bulk edits to. So go ahead and select the videos. You come to this section where you see edit, and then click here. You can edit title. So any changes you make here to the title, description, tag, visibility, monetization, add certain audience, automatic chapter, captions, certificate, category, comments, embedding, and the list goes on, will be updated on all the videos in which you have selected. So I have this chat me on WhatsApp which I want to add to those videos. I'm going to copy this link, and once you have copied the link, I use this website which is Link to generate a WhatsApp link. Select elements you want to make bulk edits with, and then come to this section where it says text and paste the text you want to paste. In this section where it says edit type, you can insert at the beginning, insert at end, replace all, or remove. So what I'm going to do is click on insert at the end, and then click on update videos. Here in this section, I understand the implication of this action, which reads that you're about to update the selected videos. The update cannot be stopped once it's started. Click on this and then click on update videos. Immediately the changes are going to be made to those videos. So once your changes have been made, you're going to get the successful update notification, and then you can find the videos which you have made these changes to. So to confirm the changes which have been made to the videos, simply click on the pencil icon to edit on any of the videos, and then scroll down to the bottom. So here you're going to see the bulk edits which we have made on our YouTube videos. So we do have chat me on WhatsApp, which is the call to action I wanted to include. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to bulk edit on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel for more contents like this. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.